So here we got 5x minus 2y equals 10. We need the x-intercept and the y-intercept. Yep. We're on practice B now if you're following the book. What we're looking at here, remember we said for the x-intercept that for this, we want x to equal something, y equals 0. So we're going to plug 0 in for y. We need to know what the x is when y is 0. 5x minus 2. Write this down, Robert. And that's why I wrote that up when I did the definition with you. For the x-intercept, y was 0. Before I do the algebra, let me write out the beginning of the y-intercept side. So for this, we want y to equal some number. X is the 0. So let's plug 0 in for x. 5 times 0 minus 2y equals 10. So there's a little bit of algebra I have to do now. But again, that's why I wrote that step out to say variable equals 0. So right. If I make the y 0, what's x have to be? So, well, no, because 0 minus 0 is not 10. But if I do make this 0, this drops out. You got it. Excellent narration. So the actual intercept is 2 comma 0. That's the actual point. And I'm going to be a stickler about that. I want to see the ordered pair. Because the next step after we can do the graphs is to do this. Let's do the y. Wait, what's up? The equation was given as part of the problem. So for example, we have that equation. All right, and so for that equation, if y is 0, then x is 2, which means
why is y 0?
Because at the intercepts, one or the other variable is 0. For one of the two variables in the line, yeah. But the question is, if one of the variables is 0, what's the other guy got to be?
0.
No, 2. Now the other one, let's get this other guy done. Then we'll come back to this. I think I've got an example that might be a good next example, which will clear up a lot of confusion. Hang on to it. We'll see if we can use it. It's not going to change when the quiz is. All right, what's up? No, not yet. Awesome. So I say if x was 0, what's the y going to have to be to make up for that? So I put the 0 in, I work it down, I get 0 comma negative 5. So my two intercepts, my x-intercept and my y-intercept, 2, 0, 0, negative 5. More one? It depends what the question's asking. If the question just says, give me the intercepts, this is where you stop. If it says, get the intercepts and graph it, then get the intercepts, and then graph it. It might be. But we're wait on the graphing for a little bit longer. What's up? Maybe. In this case, all we're doing is just getting the intercept. We'll worry about slope in a minute. What's up? That's from the fact that when we talked about finding the two intercepts, we're looking for points where either the x or the y is 0. And then what's the other one have to be when that happens? So for this equation, if, okay, there we go.